partnership with Portugal, Teaching Research Exchange at the University of Porto. This project was sponsored by the Global Education Office at Virginia Commonwealth University to advance internationalization at VCU and around the world. This project developed a relationship with the University of Porto, located in Porto, Portugal. The university has 30,000 students, and it is in the top 3% of all universities in Europe. Many international connections and projects have arisen from interactions at the United Nations in Vienna and the European Society of Criminology. Dr. Rita Faria is director of the only PhD program in criminology in Portugal at the University of Porto. With the support of the VCU Global Education Office, I spent several weeks at the University of Porto in 2025 and 2026. I met with the University International Office and exchanged information about the overlapping goals of VCU and the University of Porto, which annually welcomes over 6,000 international students. We hosted a roundtable at the Faculty of Law building, interacting with undergraduate students near the end of their degrees about the future. I also gave a lecture on the relationships between organized crime and corruption, presenting new cross-national research. Later, we met with a research seminar with faculty and MA and PhD students working on related topics. It was an exciting time in a city that is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, holding universal value to humanity and preserved for current and future generations. I later returned to Porto and held a class discussion with master's students addressing white-collar and corporate crime, prosecution and non-prosecution. Students were challenged with future research needs in Portugal. Later that week was a panel on organized crime, presenting alongside a former agent of the Brazilian Federal Police and members of 2 Portuguese law enforcement agencies. The discussion offered perspectives from North America, South America, and Europe, and the challenges to government and civil society. 2 days later, I made a presentation to the final year undergraduate students on criminal networks and organized crime using U.S. and international cases. It was a rewarding time in Portugal, forging new friendships, research ideas, and international perspectives on the challenges that face the world. Grateful thanks to the University of Porto for hosting, and to the VCU Global Education Office and Wilder School of Government and Public Affairs for supporting this effort in advancing global exchange and understanding.